Windows Terminal, predefined tabs on startup. Is it possible to start the Windows Terminal with multiple tabs, each on a configured working directory? The reason for this is, because I usually manually do the same steps each day, start the same handful of shells and cd on each of them to a specific path. For example, git bash to my workspace, cmd to the building dir in my workspace, ubuntu bash to some data generation app. It would be super cool to automate these steps. This question is a bit similar to Open Terminal with predefined tabs but for the new Windows Terminal.
I think creating a custom shortcut might at least partially solve your issue. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and GT, New and GT, shortcut. Type the start configuration you want, for example. Wait, new tab P command prompt DC column /users /donatus /workspace, split pane P Ubuntu. Wait, opens Windows Terminal. New tab, opens new tab. Split pane, splits the screen. You can split the tab both, vertically and horizontally. P specifies the profile, for example, Ubuntu. D specifies starting directory of the profile. More information, this URL. Type shortcut name. Run the shortcut. You should get 2 tabs and second tab should be split in 2. Something like that. Windows Terminal with multiple tabs. Optionally, you can change icon, pin to the task or start bars.
Open Windows Terminal. Open Settings, Control+. Click Open JSON file. Add or modify optional parameter startup actions with your start configuration, for example as at Donatus Rebecca described. Only difference, you don't need to put wait on the start. Save file and reopen wait. Don't forget that string should be properly escaped. My sample. Few more things about comma at the end in my sample just because there are next lines of config exist. If you put at the beginning or at the end, wait will open default tab at the beginning or at the end. Solution with Windows shortcut is amazing, but you can't use really long, more than 260 symbol strings, so it may not work for you. Since I don't have the reputation to comment, I'll post an answer. Wait, new tab P command prompt DC column /users /donatus /workspace, split pane P Ubuntu. This command only works in a Windows command, CMD, shell, but not in the PowerShell. The command is different in WSL as well. See the CLI reference for wait for more details. In the PowerShell it looks like this. Wait new tab P command prompt DC column /users /donatus /workspace split pane P Ubuntu.
This simple one-liner command creates a tab with 3 PowerShell splitted windows /a tab with 3 bash splitted windows. When you're on cmd.x, when you're on PowerShell.x or WSL bash,
Predefined.